Use a 1/4-inch notched trowel to apply an even bed of thinset mortar and back butter the cement board to prevent movement. Start by mixing the thinset to a smooth, peanut butter consistency with no dry lumps and let it slake for 5 to 10 minutes, then remix briefly. Spread a thin skin coat over the subfloor with the flat side of the trowel to improve adhesion, and then comb straight lines in one direction using the 1/4-inch notch side to create uniform ridges that collapse for full contact. Back butter each cement board by troweling a thin skim coat onto the board underside, and then press the board into the ridged thinset bed with a slight twisting motion to seat it fully and expel air. Maintain consistent ridge direction so ridges align parallel across all boards and overlap edges with a continuous contact plane. Work only as much thinset as you can cover in 20 to 30 minutes depending on temperature and humidity to avoid skinning and poor bond. Check for full contact by lifting a corner briefly in low-risk areas or by feeling slight squeeze out around edges, then tap the board lightly with a rubber mallet for firm seating. Keep joints offset from subfloor seams and leave a small 1/4-inch gap around perimeter for movement, then cover seams with alkali-resistant mesh tape embedded in thinset. Common mistakes start with overmixing thinset into a soupy consistency which reduces strength, so always follow the manufacturer ratio and aim for a paste that holds ridges. Another problem is skinned thinset from working too slowly, which causes weak spots, so only apply what you can cover in the pot life and use smaller batches when conditions are warm. A third issue is insufficient back buttering, which leaves voids and allows deflection, so always apply a thin skim on the board underside and press firmly into the ridged bed to eliminate gaps. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by providing a searchable platform where people can find professionals and see project discussions related to cement board installation. We also help contractors find work through listings and a community discussion area where members share tips, ask questions, and showcase completed jobs.